Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log in to your Movement Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Movement Mortgage, login, then hit enter. Then tap on the website with this text that says Pay My Mortgage. Then to log into your Movement Mortgage, tap on this login button. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then a password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. You can check this box that says remember my username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. Then also check this box to agree to the user terms and privacy policy. Now to log into your Movement Mortgage, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if your credentials are correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp. Feel free to drop any of your questions or queries in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.